Hey YouTube fam, it's Miss J and I'm back in the busy. So I'm back with another mukbang. And I got my hot flash noodles today. I haven't put anything in it. So yeah. I hope you're good, I hope you're well. I hope you've been having a great day, a great week so far. Yeah. So I'm back with the chili cheese flavor. I will show you in a second. I just wanna add my spices, you know. So if you're wondering why I look like that, my dog died and I had to bury her. So now I'd like some comfort food to take my mind off things. Not comfort food, but someone's gonna burn my ass and take my mind off of it. I promise you it's the worst thing to do on the whole Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. I hope your day is much better than what mine is. So yeah, I'm gonna add both packets. A lot of people say it's like really spicy. It is, but like I say, you know, your girl likes her spice. Get all of this out of here. Will this help me without it splashing? Okay, maybe not. I don't want to get this on my fingers. This thing burns like... You need to know exactly what I'm talking about. So, yeah. Sorry, I'm just kind of talking a little bit under my breath. But yeah, you know them hot flash noodles and stuff. So this is my breakfast for the morning. Okay, let me mix it. I'll be back in a second. Hey YouTube fam, so I'm back and it's all mixed up and I've added a little bit of cheese in it because I like my cheese. The cheese is melting up. So I was at Spa yesterday and I saw this. I know it's for cooking, but you know, I just want to give it a little bit of a taste. I was cutting my cheese with this knife. So just want to give it a little bit, a little taste. I even took the, excuse me, green chili and garlic. For you. Don't ask me who the fuck I'm saving my love for. See? My friends. But each time I try, I just break up and let's give it a little taste. It's garlic, not that spicy. Oh well. Let's give it another mixy mix. Cheese is nice and melted. You said be patient. Yeah, I know I can't sing. Don't mind me. You know, Whitney puts you in that mood where you feel like... besides, I gotta act a little bit cray-cray. I need to take my mind off my baby that I just buried. It's 10 a.m. and to drink. I saw this one also at Spa yesterday. I never saw that one before. Black currant. And the can is almost empty. I just opened it. So yeah. Hot flash noodles. I know I'm about to be burning my ass. But yeah. It is what it is. Damn. I need to cut and file my nails. They're rather chipped. So yeah, let's get into it. Still a little bit steam hot. I don't like eating such. Can taste the garlic. Right. I'm gonna do this. I'm not gonna eat with chopsticks, so my trusty fork. I just wanted you to, be up close a little bit more. And just in case my air starts burning too much, some more. The curry or oil flavoring was on my arm, so I just wiped it off. Kicking in now. Can feel the burn. Actually quite nice. I can get bits and pieces of it, yeah. But I didn't add much, but I've eaten the bulldog noodles and they are spicy. But I don't know if this is spicier. Like in some ways I feel it is, in some ways I feel it's not. Excuse me. Oh, one thing I did learn though about eating noodles, don't get it on your lips. That'll be your worst mistake ever. Don't mind me. Just getting the cheese. Garlic is definitely liquor in this thing, man. A little bit of perspiring going on there. Oh, excuse me. Oh, you know I can't keep it in. Oh, excuse me. Perspiration is coming on. Guys, gals, thank you for joining me today. I tried to make it as quick as possible, you know. It's probably I'll speed it up and make it even faster, I'm not sure. But yo, thank you for joining me. Thank you for supporting me. To everyone, to those that watch my videos and to my subscribers, I do appreciate it. Have a good day. My lips are burning. Ooh. Even though I didn't get it on my lips, but my lips are burning. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your week further. To all the mamas out there, you're doing an amazing job. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. And happy Mother's Day to those dads that step up and step in. You know, you get some deadbeat mamas, you get some deadbeat dads. I ain't hating on nobody. It's just facts. It's life. Whew. But yeah, enjoy your day. Enjoy your week further. This is Miss J signing out.